Evanesce Tab-Tension B with Cinegrey 5D. Dark rooms may be fine for watching movies, but in a multi-purpose environment, the performance bar must be raised and your projection screen must deliver that quality regardless if the lights are on or off. When compared to a matte white screen, Cinegrey 5D gives an overwhelming improvement in color saturation, contrast, and image clarity. The Evanesce Tab-Tension B screen drops and rises using a powerful and fast-acting tubular motor. In order to effectively reject ambient light, ALR screens are typically angular reflective. Ceiling-mounted projectors will typically align with the top of the screen and throw with a 30-degree angle of incidence to the screen's center, while off-axis light is diverted away. Cinegrey 5D is an award-winning 1.5 gain screen material made for standard throw projectors. It is specially engineered to reject the washout effect of ceiling and other off-axis room lighting. So even with the lights on, the image is brighter, the color is bolder, and the detail is crystal clear. It is 4K Ultra HD and HDR ready, meaning that it is compatible with today's high-resolution standard throw projectors. The Evanesce Tab-Tension B screen drops and rises using a powerful and fast-acting tubular motor. A 5 12-volt wire trigger synchronizes the screen's drop and rise with the projector's power cycle. It comes with an IR and RF remote.
Elite Screens. Get the big picture.